CTU Vision. CTU as a premier, inclusive, globally recognized research and innovation, smart, community responsive, and sustainable technological university. CTU Mission. The university shall primarily provide leading-edge degree programs, innovative professional, entrepreneurial, and technical instruction, as well as research and extension programs that address both the needs of the region and the nation in the context of the global knowledge economy, fourth industrial revolution, and sustainability.
For the task 2, so as a student, so we can contribute to the rationalization of Cebu Technological University vision and mission by following these steps. So first, we must follow the rules of the university. So as a education student, so we are known to be a role model because we are practicing to be a teacher. So as an educator, so we need to follow rules. Next is we need to participate in all the activities that being organized by the university. For example, the educational week, the intramurals, or even webinars. So next is we are already third year students, so we have enough knowledge about the university experiences in our previous semesters, so we must share this to the newbie or the first year students. As a future educator, so we can contribute to the rationalization of Cebu Technological University vision and mission by sharing or applying our learnings and experiences to our new students in our future career. And also, we can also give them a high quality education. So through this, we can say that we are one of the best teacher in our future school because we are trained in the Cebu Technological University. For task 3, so Cebu Technological University is known for a world-class university. So it offers quality education in the fields of technology, innovation, and research while contributing to regional and national development. So its mission is to empower individuals through high quality education, research and innovation, and community engagement to foster sustainable progress. So one literary work that is aligned in the Cebu Technological University vision and mission is The Republic by Plato. So first, Plato was an ancient Greek philosopher of the classical period who is considered a foundational thinker in Western philosophy and an innovator of a written dialogue and dialectic forms. So the Republic by Plato is a text that describes the importance of being just in the world. So in by being just, one is happy. So it is a text that describes an ideal city and a way through which is just and philosophical governance can create happiness. So it is aligned by the CTU vision and mission because the classical philosophical work discusses the role of education in shaping a just society, highlighting how a society should value knowledge and learning to create harmony and advancement. It resonates with CTU's vision to provide quality education and contribute to community and societal development.